JKDC Security Company Limited, founded in 2002, is located in Longgang District, North Shore, Luohu District, Shenzhen, and covers an area of 4,700 square meters. Adjacent to Pinghu Ecological Park, it has convenient transportation and strategic location and is a high-tech enterprise integrating production, sales, research and development as one of the business. Over the years, JKDC Security adheres to the business philosophy of building brands with quality and creating the future with services and principles of customers first, and aims to become one of China's leading and best professional service providers of the intelligent channel system. At present, JKDC Security conducts independent research and production from software development, mechanical manufacturing, sheet metal production, product assembly to system integration. Our company makes access gates, commodity security system, and security products as major projects and is dedicated to the production of channel management systems, parking control and management systems, commodity security system, security doors, food metal detectors, channel X-ray machines, handheld metal detectors, vehicle inspection mirrors, parking locks, and other products. Until now, the company's products have been widely used in airports, subways, embassies, military army, prisons, public security organs, government agencies, customs, and docks, large-scale public events and exhibitions, theft of valuables, and other occasions. JKDC cooperate with several well-known foreign manufacturers with strong technical force, rapid product development, and sound management practices. The production is strictly conducted according to ISO 9001-2008 standard. JKDC's tripod turnstile mechanism and swing gate mechanism have multiple national utility model patents, and all products have CE certification for exporting to the EU. With the superior quality and attentive after-sales service, 7S, products are exported to more than 80 countries and districts such as Malaysia, Thailand, Vietnam, Russia, Spain, Chile, Cuba, America, and Europe. JKDC Security has strong process and production capacity, nearly 3,000 square meters of international advanced production workshop, make full streamlined operations with complete production and testing equipment and complete production processes. Meanwhile, several international standard production lines come into use with 20 high-end technical engineers and 1,000 professional technical processing workers, so that the daily output of the company reaches up to 10,000. With the efficient operation management, by virtue of the perfect quality inspection flow and serious working attitude, it promises 100% qualification rate of unpacking. Several years ago, several aspiring young men who were involved in Pavilion AFC system in long term determinedly created Shenzhen JKDC Security Company Limited for the rise of domestic industries. With the insistence and dream, the company continuously takes the rise of domestic industries as its responsibility, constantly transcends itself, and as always insists its ideas of product development and innovation, and it will provide high quality and high cost-effective product to the global users with its purpose of the standard of international product quality. By virtue of the powerful exploring capacity and perfect marketing service system, it will guide the age of Pavilion AFC system with the steady and rapid step. Since JKDC Security Company Limited was established, it has maintained honest and enthusiastic attitude and adhered to the service principle to allow customers to be in peace of mind and to rest assured. And also, it always insists on customer first and service with heart, and adheres to touch customer with service. In order to better serve customers, the company regularly organizes staffs to learn product training lectures to improve their professional level. After years of development, JKDC Security has brought together a group of highly qualified professional technical staff and management team. The company always adheres to the honest, pragmatic, grateful, and progressive spirit of enterprise, constantly optimizes the management and improves service with the mission of creating value for customers, creating opportunities for staff, and creating wealth for the community. Further strengthen the building of enterprise culture and create a first-class team to provide customers with more high quality and perfect service. Visionary and unitive JKDC Security Company Limited. It has an advanced, knowledgeable, and experienced technological term, with more 30 senior research staff in order to attentively apply Pavilion AFC system. The rigorous quality mind and scientific research attitude promise the birth of outstanding product. At present, JKDC Security has experienced energetic professional business development team and domestic and foreign business elite. They respect pragmatic, hardworking and responsible, entrepreneurial spirit, and persist in using their faith to impress clients and escort for every customer's purchase so that the company's overseas market share grows year by year. Meanwhile, JKDC Security, paying great attention to the construction of the company culture, is well aware that the technological innovation is vitality of the enterprise, and employees are creators of business wealth. The corporate values and management theory are influentially passed on to the employees so that the company has formed a term with high cohesiveness and loyalty, which can promote the together growth of the company and employees. The enterprise regularly holds events and activities to create good and healthy corporate culture and efficient working environment. Calling the past, it is inspiring. Looking to the future, there is a long way to go. Contributes to the social security and also carries the new model of development of JKDC Security. That it will build a well-known brand with large development force in China's intelligent channel industry and be the most influential industry benchmark company.